Roadtrippers Travel App Review. Usage Experience. Links to the Roadtrippers app and related services are in the description. Roadtrippers is a must-have travel planning app designed for road trip enthusiasts, van lifers, and anyone looking to explore scenic routes, hidden gems, and unique attractions along their journey. Unlike standard navigation apps, Roadtrippers focuses on curating personalized road trip experiences, making it ideal for travelers who want more than just the fastest route. The app's key feature is its Trip Planner, which allows you to map out routes, add stops, and discover points of interest along the way. You can customize your trip with categories like national parks, roadside attractions, scenic viewpoints, and restaurants. The Explore feature suggests off-the-beaten-path destinations based on your route, helping you find places you might otherwise miss. Roadtrippers also provides pre-made trip guides, offering inspiration for themed road trips like historic routes, coastal drives, and cross-country adventures. For convenience, Roadtrippers calculates estimated fuel costs, making it easy to budget for long trips. The app also integrates user reviews and photos, helping you decide which stops are worth visiting. If you're traveling with others, the collaborative planning feature allows multiple users to edit and add stops in real time. Roadtrippers Plus, the premium version, unlocks additional features like unlimited waypoints. The free version is limited to 7, offline maps for remote areas, and exclusive deals on accommodations. It's especially useful for long-distance travelers who need detailed planning and navigation support. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, Roadtrippers makes the process seamless by offering curated recommendations and an intuitive trip management system. It's perfect for anyone who loves road travel and wants a more enriching journey. Try it out and start exploring with confidence.